Hi everybody on the Pro Forum. So, alright, so this crazy brain of mine starts thinking about ways to pull off this crashed drone problem. And here's my crashed drone problem. I come home from vacation, and I mean, the day after I get home, I have a job, a drone job. While I'm on vacation, I figured out ways to make money with the drone. In less than 30 days from right now, I'm going to Hawaii. And I just can foresee some situations in Hawaii where, if not for the purpose of selling it to me, I mean, directly to people involved, but if nothing else, for me personally, or for art purposes, there are just tons of opportunities there where you can get these incredible images that you could not get from any other perspective unless you was in a helicopter from a drone. And I mean, I have all of this at my disposal, but now I got a wrecked drone. So what do I do? Now here's this crazy brain of mine. What if I was to buy another one? Like right now, ship, deliver, I'll get it like within 2 weeks, easy, which is well within the time frame of the of when I leave for Hawaii. I'll get this drone, take the drone, and sell off parts of the drone that I don't need. You know, extra batteries, battery chargers, I mean props, case, I mean all these things that I'm not gonna need. When the other drone gets fixed, there's gonna be other parts then that I would not need. And then keep this system, parts of the system, together as backups. If this ever happens again, well, no problem. I have a backup. Just like I have two 70 to 200 lenses. I got multiple camera bodies. I've got, you know, while I don't have two, say, 24 to 70s, I do have a 16 to 35. I got a 100 millimeter lens. I've got 70, 200. I got, you know, in other words, I got it all covered to where if something was to go down, I have a backup. If something else goes down, I have a backup. I have two tripods. I mean, I have multiple lights. Everything, I got a backup for everything, but I don't have a backup for this drone. And here I find myself in a situation where I'm stuck. No backup. Crazy idea? You like the idea? Tell me what you're thinking. Talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye.